Before installing the router, find a location that accommodates all required cable connections, including the connection to the power source. This could be a basement, a crawlspace, or an outside wall. Any space you can run the IFL cables without issue. Connect the grounding pin in router to grounding rack. Prior to powering up the router, you need to ensure the power source is working properly. Start by testing live to neutral. Then test neutral to ground. Measure the voltage between neutral and ground at the AC power outlet. If the neutral to ground voltage measures 2 volts AC power or greater, advise the customer to have an electrician evaluate the electrical power outlet. Last, test live to ground. Set your digital multimeter to AC voltage. Once testing is complete and power is good for connection, proceed with connecting the DC power cable assembly to the router's DC in connector. Connect the AC power cable assembly to the 3-pronged connector on the router's power supply. Plug the AC power cable into the AC power outlet. Proceed to configure the antenna.